Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. We are doing a cleaning routine today. I'm going to show you guys the routine I like to do before we go on a trip, so that way we don't come home to a messy house. Everything's taken care of. I'm going to start packing with you guys too, so this one's gonna be really fun. And honestly, I cannot believe I'm about to say what I'm about to say, but this video is a collab with Nikki Philippi. I'm mind blown, seriously. I love her. I've been watching her for years and she just has so many different kinds of content on her channel. If you guys, I'm sure almost all of you are well aware of who she is and are subscribed to her already and watch her videos, but if you're not, I totally recommend that you check her out. I mean, she's been around for like a long time. She knows what she's doing. She is just so good at YouTube. It had to be at least 3 or 4 years ago where she posted a video talking about like starting YouTube, starting her channel, her experience, telling people all that stuff. And I remember I was so afraid for people to find out about my channel because some people think it's cool, but a lot of people think it's really weird if they don't watch videos. So I remember like I watched that video and then I was just like, I don't care what people think, I love it, so I'm gonna do it. And yeah, so I just really look up to her. I feel like I've said that a million times, but it's true. If you guys are not familiar with her channel, I'm going to insert a clip right here that she filmed for you. And here is a little sneak peek at what you guys can expect to see on Nikki's channel. I'm going to have a link down below for this video. So she is doing freezer organization and she is going to give you guys so many tips and ideas on how to just have a very organized freezer space. She always has just like amazing inspiration on her channel and I really look forward to her videos. So I know you will love her. Definitely check out her video after this one. You won't be disappointed. And one last thing, the next video, guys, is going to be the Christmas decor tour decorate with me video. And I know you guys are waiting for that. Thank you so much for all of your patience. It's just taking me forever, honestly. So thank you so much for waiting. It's coming, I swear. Turn on the bell so you guys are notified when that one goes up. Also give this a like if you enjoy it and subscribe if you're new to join the fam. I respond to all my comments, so I would love to hear from you in the comments below. And let's get started. I'm going to give you guys a quick run through because I know you love that. Those are those baskets I showed you a few videos ago that I'm still obsessed with, you guys. And then I was washing so many makeup brushes this morning, so I need to take care of this whole mess. A Starbucks cup from yesterday. My wedding ring is sitting right there. Probably not the best place for it. Obviously this is a total mess. I need to put away those dishes, and we just got so many new pods for the Nespresso machine. Take care of that. So yeah, we've got a lot of things on the counter. My husband is making some kombucha for us, strawberry kombucha. So that is what that science experiment is in the corner there. And on the dining table, I just have a handbag and wallet that I need to put away, a few shopping bags. I did a holiday outfits post on my blog and I'm gonna link it for you guys. Definitely check it out if you haven't yet. Some hand towels I need to put away, napkins from Chipotle, of course a little workstation that I need to put away. There are pants on this chair from Chad and a sweatshirt, obviously that doesn't belong at the table. And then in here I'm going to wash the bedding. It really needs to be done. That's a little sneak peek to what you guys will see in the holiday video. I was not about to pull that off just to like save the excitement for one little thing. I thought I'd give you a sneak peek. Put away this bottle, headphones, start packing the outfit for Chad. Whatever that is. I need to put away some pajamas, towel. And then on the smaller dresser, I have my self-tanner and workout clothes I need to be put away. My tripod, I don't know why that's in here. And then in my closet, I have my half dirty stuff like hanging here. When I wear things, I don't like to put them back in. If I wore it for a few hours, I'll wear it again, but I don't want it like with everything else. So yeah, I need to wash that or figure it out. Probably wash those towels. So yeah, here's just a little sneak peek of what I've got going on, but I have a lot of stuff to do. So the very first thing I do when I know that we're going away on a trip and we're going to be gone is wash all of our sheets and bedding. I feel like I show this a lot in so many cleaning routines on my channel, but I'm just like obsessed with washing our bedding, especially if we are leaving, because if I get home and I haven't washed the sheets, I'm just super grossed out and I feel like they've just been sitting and dirty. So I typically will do this the day before we leave. That's when I have time for it, and then we only sleep on it one time, and I always start with this in the beginning of the cleaning routine. That way it has time to wash and dry, and by the end of it I can put it on and it is good to go. When I wash them lately, I leave everything, all of the linens on the bed, and then I take off the bottom sheet and I wrap everything up inside of it. There have been several times where it's already washing and I see a pillowcase on the stairs that I dropped and I didn't realize it. So whenever I do this, I never drop anything. And while those sheets are being washed, I'm going to move on to the kitchen and get that picked up. And I washed my makeup brushes this morning. That is also something I like to do before we leave for a trip, so I'm going to put all of those away. Whenever I share this pink scrubby pad in videos, I get so many questions about it, so I will link it for you. I think it's around like $7 on Amazon, and it just makes washing your makeup brushes so much easier, so much faster. And so yeah, I really recommend that. But I'm just getting everything off the counters like always and putting away the dishes. And if you guys are a regular watcher of my videos, then you see those baskets under the island that I'm so glad I finally have. How long have you guys heard me talk about that? I feel like it's been forever. So that is done and taken care of. I'm so happy about that. And then I'm going to make a espresso, and it is a Nespresso espresso. That is such a tongue twister. I typically have been drinking this around like 3 p.m. when I just need something to keep me going throughout the day, and I just got a bunch of new pods, so I always have a coffee machine. Link down below. I have tons of stuff down there if you're new here. Furniture, decor, my faucet that you guys see right there, a ton of really good stuff.
You laugh and how you move. It kind of makes me go.
Short girl problems. I can never reach that top shelf. That also is why the blind in front of the kitchen sink is rarely pushed up all the way in my videos, because that's as far as I can reach it.
And I come real close. I don't want to get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm doing this thing, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Why can you be?
And lately I have been using the Iowa Pine Scent, and this is from Grove Collaborative. They also are always linked for you guys. They did have a free offer recently. I'm not sure if it's still going on, so check that out below if you're interested. But this scent, you guys, the more I use it, the more I'm obsessed with it. And I just really recommend it if you are looking for a holiday or like a seasonal scent for the cleaning products that you use. This one is a really good one.
Let me down, yeah.
Random, but what do you guys think about the straight hair? I have not worn my hair straight in several years, so it felt super weird, but let me know if you guys like the waves better or straight hair better.
I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Why can you be trusted?
And then I also am grabbing everything off the dining room table. I had some shopping bags there from the holiday outfit ideas blog post that I did. And by the way, there are 3 different outfit ideas for men and women, so if you like to coordinate with your husband or boyfriend, it's a really good post for that. And then I'm just putting away as much stuff as I possibly can that's left out on the counters, because I can be so prepared for a trip, but as soon as we're leaving, I'm going to forget something last second. I'm going to leave something behind I know I don't really need, and have things on the counter regardless of how prepared I am. So I just like to limit as much of that as I can when I come home. And then I'm just using some end dust on the dining room table because it makes it super shiny. I'm addicted.
We got plenty of rooms, just pick one. We got sandals shoes in the middle of June while the J-Box playing our favorite tune. Don't wanna stop in this situation. I live my life like a revolution. No, I don't wanna wait, no. 'Cause I don't wanna wait no more.
One of the reasons I love this couch so much, or both of these couches, they're the same thing, is because I set it up differently literally every single day. I love to move the pillows around. It's just so fun to me. I swear it's just the little things I get the most excited about around our house. I don't know why I was going to show you guys like a hairball I found on that blanket because I just washed it. So yeah, I cut that out to save you guys. I don't know what I was thinking there. And I'm going to be putting pictures in the frames in the dining room soon, you guys. I swear, I know it's been taking me forever, but we just have so much going on right now. So I'm hoping after the holidays, I finally will be framing a ton of pictures, because I'm not kidding you, I probably have 15 frames on the walls that don't have actual pictures in them right now. The struggle is so real sometimes.
Look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution.
The number one thing that will make your home feel dirty, in my opinion, is stuff on the counters, and after that is the floors, if there are crumbs on the floors. So before we leave for a trip, I will always vacuum, and ideally I will mop too, but all I had time for today was vacuuming, so that's what I went with. And now I'm going to put these sheets and all of the bedding back together. It's fresh, it's clean, which makes me so happy. And I left it in the dryer for a little too long once it was done, so it is a little bit wrinkly. But what I love about this duvet cover is it can be super wrinkly, and then within 1 or 2 days it's perfectly fine, so it doesn't bother me too bad.
Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
I'm also adding a layer onto our bed right under our duvet cover, which we never have. We almost always just have a bottom sheet and then our duvet cover, because that's all my husband likes. But it has been pretty chilly at night lately since it's almost winter. So sad. And so that's why I'm adding that on there. And honestly, when the blankets are a little heavier, I feel like I sleep so much better. That's something that a lot of hotels do. They always have like really heavy blankets because it's supposed to help with that. So hopefully that will help a few of you guys out if you have any trouble sleeping too. That one's mine, that one is my husband's, and I typically will start packing for both of us when I have the time, and then he will go through his and he will put a few more things in there or pull things out, whatever. And then sometimes I do the same for myself. If I change my mind, I feel like I'll probably get questions asking where these are from. This is from a Ross. I bought it in San Francisco like 4 years ago when we lived there. And then this one I believe is a Marshall's find. I love the houndstooth, especially in the winter and fall. Just so cute.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
And if you guys are enjoying this video, I want to encourage you to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new, because I would love to have you. I'm also grabbing a football jersey for Chad. There is a game while we're away that he wants to wear it for, and I'm folding this in the strangest way because it just has so much stuff on it. It's almost impossible to fold it flat. I also am grabbing some pants for him out of there, and this smaller closet has a lot of his stuff in there for just like an everyday thing, a lot of like work things, and then the dresser right there has a lot of his t-shirts and shorts and sweatpants. I feel like I've got a pretty good start considering we won't be gone that long. So I just have our shoes at the end of the bed and then a bunch of stuff for Chad in here. I always put socks and underwear in the top pockets, like the mesh pocket. I didn't put any underwear in there yet until after I'm done filming. And then I just have our holiday outfits on the left there, some pajamas for me, and then a sweater and skinny jeans if we go out at all. And then for Chad, I just pack him a pair of sweatpants, 4 pajamas, and t-shirts. I wanted to show you guys the makeup bag that I'll be using, and I totally recommend that you buy these at HomeGoods because they are so cheap there. They're only like, I think this one was probably $7, and from a lot of other stores, they're just way more money, so it's pretty dirty. I've had it for a while, but I'm going to officially pack it the day we leave. As soon as I get ready, or while I get ready, I pack everything inside of here, and then I do the same thing for a toothbrush and toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner. I pack like shower stuff as soon as I get out of the shower, and so that way I don't forget anything, and I don't want to pack and then pull things out. I want it to be packed and put away, so that's why I pack that stuff while I get ready, or at least throughout the process, and then I can just throw it on top in here and I will be good to go. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. As always, give it a like if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, and write a comment down below. I cannot wait to hear from you guys, hear what you think, hear any of your ideas, and I'll see you right here in a few days in a brand new video.